Star Atlas is rising high, went up more than 200% in the last month. But some things here don't add up. Have a look at this, 212% in a month. And at the same time, the trading volume on the Solana chain with 16.5 million is pretty high historically. Now, once we zoom out a little bit on this chart, we see it wasn't always that nice. This here's the recent rally. Before the Atlas token could do any price appreciation, it went down by 92%. Let me tell you the things that don't add up here. The website play.staratlas.com looks pretty good, quite nicely developed. There's a marketplace, you can set up a profile, you can connect your Solana-based wallet. Everything seems to be fine. But note, this is a subdomain, play.staratlas.com. Once we go to staratlas.com directly to the main website, this is what we see, a completely broken page where the CSS, the styling, doesn't even load. Now, isn't that funny? Once the website breaks, you see a 200% rally in the price. Welcome to crypto. But with all seriousness, I do think I know what's going on here. But before we get into this, let's look at a few more fundamentals here. Here is the Star Atlas white paper. And of course, it looks pretty much like a marketing leaflet. Now, the main game of Star Atlas, Sage, seems to be down as well. The website also doesn't load. The reason for this price collapse, though, is different. The collapse very likely happened because the number of circulating tokens massively went up from 2 billion, 7x'd to 14 billion. Probably the founders made themselves rich here. Probably they sold some of the tokens that unlocked over time. Now, it's not just the website that's down. It's not just the game that's down. It's also the number of Telegram followers that is shrinking. But here's the thing. Star Atlas is a real company. It's not just a shell project. There are real people working on this, and they're mainly based in the US. According to videos by the founder, there were once 200 people, and then they had to slash their staff quite a bit. Maybe they slashed a bit too much. Maybe that's why everything's down. Here is their CTO, Jacob Floyd. Seems to have quite some experience with tech. Here is their CEO, a chartered financial analyst. So somebody that's coming from finance. So that already might explain a little bit. This is a team that does not have gaming at the core. It's a team that simply just focuses probably on the financial incentives. It's good that the team is visible. Here's the founder in an interview with the Defiant made on the 11th of November. Feel free to check that out. Another interview with a smaller crypto channel made 3 months ago. And here we've got one even with the Paul Barron network. So why is Star Atlas going up? Is it simply just the Solana chain recently outperforming? Is it simply just the gaming narrative where everybody tries to jump on this? It's probably something else. This is Solana relative to Ethereum, and yes, this did outperform, and yes, this does help some cryptocurrencies. For example, the Bonk meme coin recently went up quite a bit. That video is on this channel as well. But I don't think that's the story here. Have a look at CoinGecko and have a look at the trading volume on the spot markets. There is 7 million in trading volume on an exchange that's pretty much unknown, together with a trading pair that's very uncommon. This exchange is targeting the Turkish market. Now, the project has nothing to do with Turkey. It's a US-based project. So how do I interpret this? It's probably wash trading. One or several whales are manipulating the price, pushing it up, generating interest. So in the end that you start searching, you start jumping on this rally. Your money then goes straight into the whales' pockets as they will dump on you as enough interest has been generated. I do not have a crystal ball either. I don't know where the price is going. I don't know what the whales will be doing, right? I can't look into their heads. But I hope I provided some information, some things that you haven't been aware of. If you appreciate this, feel free to give this a like and subscribe. I publish videos regularly. There's also a free Telegram group. Link is down below.